Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, pupunta kami sa Limestone Waterfall dito sa Tibiao, Antique. But of course, before we went here, we checked the weather forecast if there is a typhoon or heavy rain today. But I think the weather is perfect because it's not sunny but cloudy. This is my favorite weather. From our place, we rode a tricycle to it. So pagkababa namin ng tricycle, naglakad na lang kami papunta dito. And maybe 1 kilometer from the highway. And I think this is good exercise. So, ayan. Masyadong hiningal ang lola nyo kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-walking. At kung may sasakyan naman kayo, pwede naman siguro kayong makapasok dito. Meron naman siguro silang parking area doon malapit sa Limestone Waterfall. Uhaw na ako.
Malamig na tubig. Oh. Limestone Waterfalls here in La Paz, Tibiao.
So, Limestone Waterfall located in La Paz, Tibiao. Maganda dito kasi more on flats ang lalakarin natin.
I don't know where we are going. This is very familiar to me. I know.
Familiar to you? Have you been here before?
No, not before, but I trust my instinct.
Trust your instinct,
And,
but
direction. Here we are to there's so many other tourists here at the moment.
if you have a car or tricycle, motorcycle, there is a parking area here. You can park here. You can park your car here. May entrance fee 20 pesos per person. So this is their entrance fee per head, 20 pesos only. Foods are not allowed there in Limestone Waterfalls. No smoking in Limestone. Liquor bans also. And bawal magtapon ng basura sa limestone. Do not destroy limestone, of course.
So, ito yung parking area nila.
There is cottages also there, honey. Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe if you want to rent cottages.
I think there's time down.
Cottages, maybe. Let's check how much.
So, ito yung mga cottages nila, guys. Ayan. And if you want to stay overnight here, ayan, meron sila ditong bahay kubo, maybe 600 per night. Mukhang maayos naman at malinis sa loob. At mukhang dito naman nakatira ang may-ari, malapit.
There is space to grow something or then build cottages.
Yeah. I think they're going to build other cottages. So, pababa.
Bababa. Bababa. Bababa.
And not muddy this time. Today, this morning, because not raining. But maybe the rain is coming later afternoon. So the weather cloudy now. It's cloudy.
Yeah, exactly. When we were coming here with tricycle, the sun was shining so hotly. But now it's becoming more maulap.
Cloudy.
Maulap. And there was nobody else than the cleaning lady or the caretaker of this place. No other tourists. So guys, I love it.
You love it. Because it's rainy day. That's why not so many tourists today. These rainy days.
What they are growing here, oh?
I think that is singkamas. Turnips.
It's good that putting a lot of things to grow. Then they will have.
So, malapit na kami sa Limestone Waterfall. Batis ng Tibiao.
So, here we are guys in Limestone Waterfalls. Medyo magulo dahil dinaanan ng ilang bagyo. So, ayan guys, ito na yun.
You can swim there.
Hanggang doon sa taas, until there. Para lapitan natin.
Ay, may gulay. Oh, slippery. Be careful. Some limestones are slippery. Ano gulay? So, that's it. Merong upuan dito. Pwede kayong umupo. And I saw shells here. We called this awis here in province. Of course, you can cook this and eat. So, pwede kang mag-swimming. You can swim here also. Pwede sa mga bata.
So, meron pang mas mataas at medyo malalim na falls doon, guys. Pero hindi na kami pumunta doon. Kontento na kami dito. Mukhang maganda doon, pero naisip namin na baka abutan na kami ng ulan. So, ayan, mukhang uulan na. At nagmamadali na kaming makabalik. Mukhang pangkaraniwang batis lamang ito sa probinsya, guys. Pero dahil sa taglay nitong kagandahan, maganda ang view. Kaya dinadagsa ito ng mga turista dito para kumuha ng mga pictures, ng mga videos at ipopost sa social media. Maganda nga naman talaga yung mga views dito, guys, at mai-enjoy ka talaga.
Quite slippery in other area. So be careful when you are here. Honey, which better, Bugtong Batu Waterfalls or this limestone waterfall?
Both are special in their own way.
Really?
Yeah, I like them both. Here in Tibiao, they both are great spots to visit. Yeah.
I like Bugtong Waterfalls more than this.
Okay.
So it's both. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you my next vlog. Bye bye.